I'm Bridget. I'm 55. I'm from America, and I have wanted body contouring ever since I hit menopause. I've had a thickening around the waist and upper back that no amount of dieting or working out could get rid of. I did a lot of research on this procedure and looked at a lot of doctors, and I wanted something that would be comparable to what I got in the US and skill level, and Dr. Gupta has an excellent reputation, and I'm very pleased with results, and I would recommend to anyone internationally to come to India and see Dr. Gupta. I had my procedure done 1 year ago, and it was immediately apparent. The improvement was apparent immediately, but there was obviously swelling. It took a few months to get down to optimal results, and I'm very pleased. People think that I went away to a spa and dieted and exercised, and I did a little bit, but not quite as much as you would think, so I'm very pleased. This is my 5th trip to India, and I know it can be intimidating coming to a foreign country to get surgery, but rest assured that the quality of care here is similar to anything you'd get in the US, and Dr. Gupta is extremely skilled, and I would recommend coming here for any international patients. I would say if you're contemplating cosmetic surgery and you're fearful, I also had the same nervousness coming here, and I was completely reassured, and I'm very happy with the results. I'm happy with the quality of care, and I would say if you're thinking about it, this is probably the best place you can come in India, and Dr. Gupta is extremely skilled, and you'll be well taken care of.